Hey kids, welcome back. Getting ready to grease up these CV joints. I have a couple new boots, the bands that go on, some grease. I cleaned up the cup as best I could, and the bearing assembly. Don't see any issue with putting this back together. I have a couple tools to put those clips and the bands on. So we'll start with the outer boot first. Take the grease. We'll do our best to make this grease go where we want it. We're going to put it all on here. And then we're going to put the boot on the end. So we're going to try to bring this down as square as we can. All right, I got some grease on the outside of that, but there's not much I can do about that now. Not a perfect job. This is the right front, so it's going to be turning like this. So we want the back of these bands facing the other way to try to limit the amount of branches that are going to hit. We want to manually pull that as tight as we can get it. Lock that in. And then we take these pliers and we take that ear, like on the side, and we want to squeeze that together. Okay, so I don't know if my microphone was turned on, so I'm going to talk about this again. When I put that last one on, I couldn't get on here to close that band up. This is just a cheap pair of pliers that I have, and they're not straight. I tried to bend them a little bit, and then I was able to get on there. And then this one here seemed to work really well, and it closed that up. In doing that, you have to try not to get any grease here or here, and I know I ended up getting some grease on that, but I took that back off and cleaned it out as best I could. So hopefully that will be okay. Not the greatest job I've ever done. So now we'll do this inner boot. With this type of band, you don't really need to put it on first, but usually you have to put that on first, and then you need to slide your boot on. This bearing assembly goes on with the little indentation on the inside of the bike. And then we take this circlip, and that goes on. That's what holds this on. All right, now we want to fill this cup with grease. And then we're going to put it on and put this clip in. There's that. We want to get the rest of this grease on there. It's like trying to get the last little bit of toothpaste out. Because you want to get your money's worth. Now this boot is a lot bigger than the other one, so I should be able to get it over there without getting any grease on it. The other one was so small, I had a hard time. Much better. Yeah, that one's grabbing a hold. That little center cam stops it from pushing out too far, I think. Yeah, that's good for that one. I can't seem to get a hold of that with these bigger bands, so I'll give it a try here, see what happens. Try to get a little bit tighter here. Doesn't feel like it's going to close up for me. Oh, these things just will not grab a hold of that. Try it this way. There, I think we're good. Feels good. That feels good. we'll cut the video here, and the next thing we need to do is replace the bearings in the steering knuckle. I have parts on order, but they're not in yet, so I'll post this video and then we'll move on to the steering knuckle. Thanks for hanging out in the garage. That was a battle.